Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a report from Mid-America Apartment Communities, or MAA. It's like checking in on your friend who's a landlord, except this friend owns a ton of apartments. We're going to see if they're raking in the dough or dealing with leaky roofs. Before we start, if you appreciate getting straight insights from corporate documents, make sure you're subscribed. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below where you can discuss these filings with other investors. This is a Form 8K, which is basically a snapshot of important news that a company has to share with investors. This particular report is dated June 2, 2025. Think of it like a quick update, not the full annual report. The filing is from Mid-America Apartment Communities, Inc., a real estate investment trust, or REIT. REITs are companies that own or finance income-producing real estate. MAA focuses on apartments specifically in the Sunbelt region of the US, so think places like Texas, Florida, and the Carolinas. Here's what the company has registered in terms of stocks. We see the common stock, which trades under the ticker MAA on the New York Stock Exchange. It means regular investors can buy and sell shares of the company. Also, we see the preferred stock with MAII ticker. Now, this is an important part. This Form 8K is related to something called Regulation FD disclosure. Regulation FD is all about making sure companies don't give special information to some investors before others. Everyone should get the news at the same time. The company is releasing a presentation for investors and will make it available after the market closes on June 2, 2025. This presentation is the main reason for this report. The presentation is titled Nareit REIT Week 2025 Investor Conference, June 3-5, 2025. This presentation will be shared at an investor conference. These kinds of presentations usually give updates on how the business is doing, talk about strategy, and try to get investors excited about the company. Finally, there's mention of something called an interactive data file, which is included with the report. It's an XBRL file which allows for computers to easily read and analyze the data in the report. This makes it easier for investors and analysts to pull information and compare it with other companies. Now, what does this all mean? MAA is getting ready to present at an investor conference. This means they likely have some updates they want to share with investors. Maybe they're announcing new acquisitions, talking about their financial performance, or outlining their plans for the future. The important thing is that they're making sure everyone gets the same information at the same time, thanks to Regulation FD SARB. What's my take on MAA? Well, as an apartment REIT focused on the Sunbelt, they're in a pretty good position. The Sunbelt has been experiencing strong population growth, which means more demand for apartments. This can lead to higher rents and occupancy rates, which are good for MAA's bottom line. However, there are also some risks to consider. Rising interest rates could make it more expensive for MAA to borrow money to buy new properties or refinance existing debt. Also, a slowdown in the economy could lead to job losses, which could hurt demand for apartments. Overall, MAA seems like a well-managed company in a good market. But like any investment, it's important to do your own research and consider the risks before investing. Keep an eye on their investor presentations and quarterly reports to see how they're performing and what their plans are for the future. Alright, that's our breakdown of MAA's latest filing. What's your take on these updates? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.